Welcome to the heart of Goa, where every dish tells a story and every bite is a celebration. Carrot cake is the most famous and all time favorite of every Goan. The crusty layer on the outside and moist aromatic flavored cake on the inside is the perfect balance. Do try it out for this festive season. Let's start by peeling and grating the carrots fine. In a bowl, add 2 eggs, and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Half cup of granulated sugar, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, whisk it all to form a smooth consistency. Add 1/3 cup of oil. You can also use butter. Sift in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. A quick tip, instead of using baking soda and baking powder to get the most fluffiest cake, use 1 teaspoon of Eno. So here I'm using regular Eno. If you don't have Eno, you can use baking powder or baking soda instead. Now without wasting time, fold it quickly. Use the fold technique. So you scrape and fold, scrape and fold. You see the bubbles? That's the Eno working in. Now you add the carrots. Add little at a time and then decide if you want to add all. Be quick and pour it into the cake tin. Quickly grease the tray. Tap to release any air bubbles. Let's pop this in preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes until a toothpick inserted comes out clear. You would surely want to bake this cake almost every week. Trust me and try it out for yourself. Do share it with your family and friends, like the video and leave your comments down below. I'll see you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care and stay safe.